Hey marketers, are you ready to supercharge your lead generation with the power of AI and machine learning? In today's video, I'm going to show you some easy steps to get started with AI and ML for generating leads. Let's dive in. First up, what exactly are AI and ML? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI where machines learn from data to make decisions. Think of AI as the brain and ML as the brain's learning process. Step 1. Identify your goals. Before diving into AI and ML, it's crucial to identify what you want to achieve. Do you want more email subscriptions? More webinar signups? Define your goals clearly. Step 2. Collect and clean your data. Data is the backbone of any AI ML project. Gather data from your website, CRM, social media, and other sources. Ensure your data is clean and free from errors. This will help your algorithms work more efficiently. Step 3. Choose the right tools. There are several AI and ML tools available that can help you get started. Some popular choices include Google's TensorFlow, IBM's Watson, and Microsoft's Azure ML. These platforms offer a range of features to make your AI/ML journey smoother. Step 4. Train your model. Once you have your data and tools ready, it's time to train your model. Use historical data to teach your machine learning algorithms what to look for. For example, if you want to predict which leads are most likely to convert, train your model with past lead data. Step 5. Implement and monitor. After training, implement your AI/ML model into your lead generation process. Use it to analyze new leads and prioritize them based on their likelihood to convert. Monitor the performance regularly and make tweaks as needed. Highlights of using AI/ML for lead generation. Automated lead scoring AI can help you score leads automatically based on their behavior and engagement level. Personalized marketing. Use AI to create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Predictive analytics. Leverage ML to predict future trends and behaviors, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. That's it, folks. By following these steps, you can harness the power of AI and ML to boost your lead generation efforts. Remember, start small, experiment, and scale up as you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.